Hello, it's Trisha from Girl Friday. It is the perfect time right now to purchase a thriving, established franchise. Girlfridayz franchise. Listen to this offer. If you want to start up your business, it is the perfect time to do so. When you buy Girlfriday franchise, you buy an established business. You become part of our family at Girl Friday. For an initial fee of £20,000 only, you get two packages to select. The admin package, if you feel that you very good at admin, you get our admin side of Girl Friday, our admin package, business support. Or if you are a digital marketer, you get our digital marketing side and traditional marketing side. Or if you think that you're good and you want the whole one-stop shop business, one-stop shop, you can get both package. The initial cost is only £20,000 and you do not get exclusivity of Girlfridayz at all. You just sell our services under Girl Friday franchise. It is the perfect opportunity to start your business right now if you have money and you get an established business. You don't have to come up with a business plan. Marketing plan is already done. All the nitty-gritty of Girl Friday has been sorted out already. Just become part of our family, our growing, thriving family, our franchisee. We have the best reward franchise offer ever. If you are successful on the Girl Friday franchise, you really love it, you have a bit of get up and go, you know what you're doing, and you achieve an enormous amount of sale, and you want to recruit somebody else to the franchise because you think it's so fucking good. You want to recruit somebody else to the franchise. That person sign up to get the franchise. They pay their £20,000. I pay you £400. £4,000, sorry, not 400. £4,000. I missed out a zero there. Oh, no, it's £4,000 you get. Yeah? If you do that, up to 5 franchisees, I will pay you £4,000 for each person you refer, up to 5 people. And that's not there. And it doesn't finish there because our family is growing. So if your franchisee now that you have trained to the franchise and get up to speed so they can achieve sale on the Girl Friday, yeah? Well, that person in turn, because they bought into the franchise, they have access to the best ever reward scheme themselves. In turn, if they recruit another franchisee to Girlfridayz franchise, and contract is sorted, signed and dusted, yeah, and they pay their £20,000, that person, your franchisee, basically, get £4,000 for the referral up to 5 people. And that's carry on. And our family is growing. You can buy that franchise for the moment only in the UK. Once Girlfridayz is big in the UK, huge, lot of franchisee, we might open it to the rest of the world. Join our family today if you have £20,000 ready to spend on an award-winning, government-accredited online digital marketing company. You get a 5-year contract initially, renewable every 5 years, because it might not be for you down the line. So we cater for that. It's only 5 years contract. Every 5 years, renewed. Have a go. Contact us. View the info. Fill the form to register your interest today. This is a perfect offer to start up your business today. No worry, we train you. You are not left on your own. We train you to ensure that you actually sell for Girlfridayz. So here you go. So we both get money. It's a win-win situation I'm offering today for you people. £20,000 initial fee. Visit girlfridayz.com. Go to quick link to view more services, scroll through and click on the franchise offer. Join our family. Join our family today. Start a business. It's a perfect time to start up a business. Right now. £20,000, 20 grand only. You need to sign the contract and you need 2 directors to sign it. Okay? Bye for now. Have a good day. Trisha, CEO of Girlfridayz. If you're not interested in a franchise, you can still visit Girlfridayz, purchase a website. We can help you start up your website, your business online, business plan, marketing plan, social media marketing. We are your business and marketing support one-stop shop. The only one in London, which is this way. We cater for business. startup or growth. Bye for now. Girlfridayz.com